Hi guys, so it's day 4 and 5th of January 2019. Finally, I found a person who's into manufacturing of plastic balloons or plastic tubes, I would say. It's about 4.5 meters, and the person has agreed. Okay, I asked her, does she has different colors available, because the sample that she showed me on photo is a transparent one. So I asked her if she could give me like a white or a chrome color silver, or like a rose gold or gold color, and she said, oh, she'll check with the company, and she came out with the sample cost for $400. $400 is like about approximately 2,500 Hong Kong dollars. There's like no ways I'm spending that kind of money for sample piece. I've asked her now again to bring down the price and check if what is available in their stock. So my brain is running through like which are the industries that use these kind of plastic wraps. So maybe the carpet industry is one industry which has when they roll the carpet, it becomes cylindrical. So I'm thinking that they might use the plastic wrap, and maybe I can use the plastic wrap for the installation. Or the second industry is the paper, the big paper printing rolls. Generally what you use, like a A0 paper roll, it usually comes in plastic wrap also. So there should be some company which is manufacturing those kind of plastic, or like an umbrella wrap, which is again like a similar tube structure when you fill air inside. So I'm trying to explore those opportunities. Second major step, what I'm gonna do is also find out if there is if I can do a DIY with a chrome finish, DIY chrome finish balloon, make it yourself kind of structure. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, it's pretty frustrating at the moment. And like an artwork like this needs, somebody needs to spend so much amount of money. That means the artists who are like young, there's no place for them if they have to keep spending so much money. Every time I ask for a quote, people say 10,000 US dollars. Like, come on, crazy. 10,000 US dollars for 50 piece of plastic. Just ridiculous price. And people say, oh, things are cheaper in China. No, it's not cheap at all. It's very frustrating that how a simple stuff like this can get complicated. Let's see how it goes in the future. Maybe DIY might be a way of doing things.